Short division. So at school, we normally call this bus stop division, and that's what your children will probably be quite familiar with. So children can either use notes to help them with this, or the times table square, or they may know their times table facts quite quickly anyway. So I will show you a mixture of all of them. So when you're dividing a number, this question means 74 divided by 3. So how many 3s can we fit into 74? So we start off almost in the opposite way to everything else. So you start off with the biggest value digit first. So how many 3s can you fit in 7? Now, some children will know this straight away using their times table. Others may need to write some notes to help them. So the way we've been doing it at school is we can draw the number out. So we draw our 10s in blocks. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we draw our 1s as little dots like this. So how many groups of 3 can we get into 7? That's 1 group. That's 2 groups. So you place this 2 above the 7. And then you have 1 left over, which you place next to the number in the 1s column. Now, because you have this 1 left over, you need to exchange it into the 1s column. So you can see this is 14 1s now. So they can remove it or by scribbling it out, and then you need to draw the 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many groups of 3 can we get into 14? That's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, which goes at the top. And you can see here you have 2 left over. So we write that as a remainder 2. Now, children can do this using their times tables. So they will so to start again, how many 3s go into 7? They may count. So 3, 6. We can't get to 9, so we need to go back to 6. So that's the 2. And then you count on. So you're at 6. How many are left over? What do you add to 6 to get to 7? There's 1 left over. Same again for 3s into 14. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. But it doesn't fit into 15. So you have your 4. So you're at 12. What do you add to 12 to get to 14? It's 2, so that's your remainder. Just to show you again, you can still use the notes when the numbers get bigger, but it does get more complicated. So we'll draw it out. So this time you might use another note. So we normally use squares for the hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 10s and 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 4s can we get into 9? So you've got 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, which you place at the top with 1 left over. You then need to exchange this, and then you have to put your 10 10s in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many groups of 4 can you now fit into 12? You've got 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, which you put at the top. There's nothing left over, so we don't need to put anything in here. How many 4s go into 7? 1 group, and then 3 left over. So again, you could do that with your times tables. How many 4s can we fit into 9? 4, 8, 12. 12 is too many, so you're at 8. That's 2. What do you add to 8 to get to 9? 1. How many 4s fit into 12? 4, 8, 12. Exactly, so you just write that in. How many 4s fit into 7? 4, 8. That's too many. What do you add to 4 to get to 7? Remainder 3. So children can use this note form, or they can use their times table square to help them, or just complete their times tables in their heads.